Hello and welcome to the Christina Tsiripidou Show. I'm your host, Christina, an Integrative Nutrition Health Coach, and I'm here to help you achieve your health goals and empower you with knowledge so you can conquer and serve the world doing what you love. In this episode, I will be sharing with you 3 delicious breakfast recipes that you can make very quickly before you rush to work or the night before. So we'll start with overnight porridge. So for the overnight porridge, I have combined rolled oats and a normal porridge oats. And then you can add all the spices you like. Like for example, I will add cinnamon because I love cinnamon. You can also add seeds. So I have here sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, and some dried fruit. So I will add this in our mix. Mix it very well. Then I also like vanilla, so I will add vanilla extract. I will also add some golden syrup to sweeten this up. And top it up with coconut milk. And it's so easy and quick. Then all you need to do is just put it in the fridge overnight. And I will make sure that in a separate container I include frozen fruit such as berries, like this. And this is our porridge done. So in the morning you just grab it, top it up with your frozen fruit and enjoy. So my second recipe is avocado on a rye bread toast. So we have our rye bread here, and we'll also cut our avocado. We will mash it. I find it easier to clean the avocado if it's hot. You see? It goes out easier. So we'll top it up with a little bit of lemon. So you can squeeze it here. Just mix it up. So we'll put it here. And chili flakes. So this is the easiest form of avocado toast. You can then top it up with some rocket or a poached egg if you prefer. So my third breakfast is tortilla with omelette. Let's get into it. So what you'll need is 2 eggs. So we'll whisk 2 eggs. I will also add mushrooms and spinach, but you can add anything else, any other ingredients you prefer. These are the ones that I like. Just mix very, very well. You can also add pepper, salt, nutmeg. Nutmeg adds an incredible taste to your omelette. So now we will warm up our tortillas in our oven. And in the meantime, we will make our omelette. So the first thing we'll do, we just oil our pan so that it's easier to turn our omelette around. Okay, we will turn on our stove and add our omelette. So now our omelette is ready to be turned around. So let's do that. So try and grab it really well and then flip like this. Brilliant. So now our omelette is ready. So what we'll do is we will cut it in half to split it for each tortilla. So that's one done. And the second one done. And it's that easy. So in this video, we made 3 different breakfasts: overnight oats, avocado toast, and omelette in tortilla. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment on the section below with your favorite quick breakfast recipe. Share it with your friends and do subscribe because I upload new content every week. See you next week!